Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Tolu Nazzal. So today I was thinking I've been having curry on my mind and I've been having beef on my mind. So I wanted to make curry, but suddenly I'm having a last minute change of mind and I've already boiled my beef. So let's see what I make out of my beef. I think maybe I'll just make shredded beef sauce, but I've already boiled my beef, so I'm just going to put things together and make a simple beef sauce with whatever I have here. So if it's something you'd like to see, please keep watching and support me by liking this video if you enjoy watching it, and make sure you subscribe before you leave here. Share my videos, put down your comments so that I'll always know what you guys think about the video. So you guys join me, let's make this. This sauce I'm using some green pepper, red pepper, some garlic, ginger, some pepper, flour, onions. I've already cut my onions, dark soy sauce, and just some spices. So basically that's just what I'm using.